So you've decided you want to make money online. You've heard of affiliate marketing and want to give it a go, but you have no idea where to start. Or you're looking for a side hustle and think affiliate marketing is something you could do. Well, since it is something that I do every day, I want to give you some fundamentals and a free training course to help you start the right way without having to make the mistakes most people do, including me, when they first start out. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. On today's video, I'm going to reveal the 4 things you should know and concentrate on when starting out in affiliate marketing. And make sure you stay to the end where I'll show you how you can get access to a free training course that gives you everything you need to get started without having to spend thousands on another course. And how you can get some one-on-one support to ensure you get started the right way. Now, one of the things that attracted me to affiliate marketing in the first place was the fact that I didn't have to create my own products. With affiliate marketing, I could identify the products, and these could be courses or tools like apps or software that make the life of an affiliate marketer easier. You see, I already have experience in creating my own courses, and I've been on a mission for more than 5 years now to help people take control of their money and build a secure financial future, mainly by creating multiple income streams and passive income. Affiliate marketing is a way I can do that, and it's a way that I can help people just like you to build an income stream, whether it's a side hustle or it's your main income stream. Both are possible, and you don't have to start out with any special skills, any special knowledge or an audience. It's totally possible to start from scratch and earn what you want to earn. The key that I learned along the way is to have a few key aspects of affiliate marketing in place, understood, and you're on your way to financial success. Now, before you get carried away by all the thousands that you're going to make, I want you to remember that the amount of money you make will be directly proportional to the amount of value you provide to your audience. So everything you do will be focused on providing value. Do that and the money will flow. Okay, so let's dive into the 4 steps that are Affiliate Marketing 101 that I recommend you treat as must-haves. Now, the first is traffic. If you've spent any time watching videos online or looking into affiliate marketing before you got here, you most certainly will have heard about the need for traffic. Simply put, traffic is how you get people to see your offer. They come to your material and click on links that take them to your offers. So how do you get traffic and what's best for you? I've got a more detailed discussion of traffic which you can watch clicking the link up there somewhere. And for now, let me give you some of the basics. You can generate traffic from social media, any of YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even Twitter. You can drive traffic by using emails, which we will talk about more shortly, and you can use search engine optimization or SEO to drive traffic from a blog. This is a bit of a science and it takes a bit longer to grow, but it's one of the free sources, or organic as it's referred to, that will generate traffic forever. I highly recommend you have a blog that you can use to drive free traffic for the rest of time. There are solo ads, which are a paid service where people will drive leads to your offer for a cost per click. Again, check out my traffic sources video for more detail on how to use these sources to generate traffic. It's fair to say that traffic is the heartbeat of your business, so it's important to know how to generate it. I recommend picking one source to start with and get really good at it. Then add another, get good at that, and so on and so on. Trying to do it all at once is a recipe for overwhelm, trust me. So the second Affiliate Marketing 101 requirement is a sales funnel. If you're new to the online world, you may have the belief or understanding that you need a website to sell stuff. Well, let's break that myth now. You do not need a website, full stop. What you need is a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a sequence of web pages that takes your traffic or leads on a journey to the destination that you want them to take. The sales funnel makes it simple for your lead to know what they need to do to move toward your offer. You see, with a traditional website, there's a heap of distractions and you can't control what your traffic does when they get to your website. With all the normal buttons and menus, it's easy for your traffic to get distracted and end up leaving your site before they've done what you want them to do, including buying from you. So you want to use a sales funnel with a few simple components. The first secret to success with affiliate marketing is that you don't want to send your leads straight to an offer. Your biggest asset as an affiliate marketer is your email list. So the first part of your funnel is a capture page, known as a squeeze page or opt-in page. The sole purpose of this page is to capture the email address so you can follow up with them forever after. To get the email address, you'll offer them some form of freebie. The second step in your funnel is really important and one that not all affiliate marketers use, but I think it's crucial to improving sales conversions. This page is called a bridge page. The purpose of this page is to pre-frame your lead for the offer they're about to see. You want to warm them up to the offer. This page also continues the relationship building process so your lead gets to know, like and trust you. You want them to know that you are the one helping them out. However, the offer that is about to come is not necessarily coming from you. So this page is important to frame that transition. The bridge page will also explain how the lead will get the freebie you offered them on the opt-in page. The only thing your lead needs to do on this page is click the button to be taken to the offer. There are no other distractions, no bells or whistles. It's a simple page that plays an important role in building a relationship. And that's your sales funnel. From the bridge page, your lead is taken to the offer page, which will be built by the person who owns the offer that you're an affiliate for. And the best way to create these sales funnels is in a software called ClickFunnels. And to get a 14-day free trial and some special bonuses worth over $1,000 from me, click the link in the description to set up your free account, and I'll give you a proven affiliate marketing sales funnel that you can load into your account with one click. Okay, let's move on to the third part of Affiliate Marketing 101. The third part is multiple affiliate products. One of the things I did when I first started affiliate marketing was concentrate on one product. And let me tell you, this is a mistake. Think about it in similar terms to your favourite store. You might go into that store a number of times a month or a year, but I bet you don't buy the same thing every time. Sometimes you want one thing, another time you might need something different. Affiliate marketing is the same. Your leads are not always going to want just one thing. So for example, I started promoting a training course that teaches affiliate marketing. It was and still is a great course, but if it isn't right for my traffic today, I need to have other offers to give them that might be what they need at that time. So do some research and find anywhere from 10 to 20 different products, courses, tools, or software that can help your lead build their business or improve some aspect of their life. If you have questions about what type of products to consider, leave me a comment below and I'll help you out. I've done a lot of the hard work for you, so I know some great offers that you can use, and a number of these are relevant to whatever niche market you choose to play in. So okay, next up is an email sequence. So number 4, autoresponder. The final component of Affiliate Marketing 101 is an autoresponder sequence. Earlier we talked about the need to capture your lead's email address so you can make them additional offers. Because the simple truth is that only a small percentage of your leads will buy the first offer you put to them. So an autoresponder sequence is a bunch of emails that are automatically sent to your leads from the time that they come into your world. These emails are normally sent every day. Some emails will just be providing value, while others will include links to an offer. You'll use your autoresponder to build a relationship with your audience, give them great value, relevant to helping them, sharing some of your stories, and of course to send them to offers. These emails, as the name suggests, are sent on auto every day and enable you to cycle through your list of offers. This way, when the time's right for your lead, they can take up the offer that suits them. They may need to see an offer a few times before it's the right time for them, which is the magic of having their email address. Without it, you're effectively one and done. If they don't buy the first time, you'd lose them for good. And since the percentages are reasonably low when it comes to sales conversions, I'm talking somewhere between 1 and 5%, that would make it very difficult to build a sustainable business. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and showed you what you need to get started in affiliate marketing. Let's do a quick recap of the 4 parts to Affiliate Marketing 101. First up is the need for traffic. Pick one source and master it. Second was to have a sales funnel, not a website. Third was to build up a list of affiliate offers of between 10 and 20 offers. And fourth was to have an autoresponder sequence of emails that cycle through your offers and provide great content. As I mentioned at the beginning, I want to give you access to a free course that takes these concepts deeper and help to get you set up as an affiliate marketer. I'll also give you access to a free affiliate marketing sales funnel if you use my ClickFunnels link, which you'll find below in the comments and inside the free affiliate marketing course. To get the course, you can click on the link in the description. You'll need to enter your email and create an account to access the member area for the training. So make sure you grab this training. It's an excellent starting point and doesn't cost you a cent. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget, if you want to get started building an affiliate marketing business and get personal one-on-one support from me to help guide you to your first $1,000 and beyond, just click the link in the description to get the free training course. And if you use the link to set up a ClickFunnels account, you'll also get the free affiliate marketing sales funnel that you can personalize and start using straight away. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. And do me a favor, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get started with your own affiliate marketing business, click the link below to get started today and get some personal one-on-one support from me to get you up and running in the next 30 days.